Hello, my name is Alamin Mahid. I'm 31 years of age and I live in London, the UK. I've come here today to hopefully restore my hairline. I'm hoping to get the required result today. Initially, I did look at getting done in London and Turkey. However, whilst I was here on holiday, I thought I could come here and get my hairline done before going back to the UK, as my flight is very soon. I'll be having this transplant done with Mr. Protoy, and he will be overseeing the surgery. And also tomorrow I'll be coming back to have my dressing done and yeah. I had my procedure done yesterday at the New Rigs Clinic by Dr. Protoy and his team. Overall, it was a pleasant experience. I'd have no hesitation to come again and, if needed, do it again, but as the doctor advised, I won't be needing to come back, which is a good thing. Everything went smoothly and the aftercare was very good. So I am hopeful for a great result, and once the result has been achieved, I'm going to be sharing it with the team. Inshallah, I'll achieve a great result.